Today we're back at Smoke Jumpers, which is a text that we read a few weeks ago. I'm in my close reader on page 6 if you would get your close reader out. And then you're also going to need a highlighter or marker. I'd prefer if you highlighted last time that you choose a different color to use, because today we're going to be looking for something very specific in our text. Today we're looking for details about what a smoke jumper does for their job. So there's a lot of information in here. We have the definition of a smoke jumper, we have when it was introduced, we have kind of that introduction piece, but we're looking specifically for details about what they do, because we're going to take those details and then write a letter as if we are a smoke jumper, as if that is our job. So we need to find those things so that we're ready for our letter tomorrow. So it says, have you ever heard of smoke jumpers? A smoke jumper is someone who is trained to fight fires in rough terrain, like mountains or other places that are difficult to get to. Smoke jumping was introduced in the 1930s by the U.S. Forest Service. It was a way to get to forest fires quickly. Smoke jumpers are a national treasure. Their jobs are very hard and very dangerous. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight that their job, that's a detail about their job, right? Hard and dangerous. Smoke jumpers parachute from a plane. They land on a spot near the forest fire. Firefighting tools, food, and water are also dropped by parachute. There's another detail about being a smoke jumper. Hold on. Okay. Men and women smoke jumpers get enough tools and supplies to last them for about 2 days. After that, they will get more. All right, so let's head to our next page. Will you make sure you have everything highlighted that I have highlighted before you move to your next page? Okay, so here's more information about smoke jumpers and their jobs. It says smoke jumpers wear special gear to keep them safe. Padded fireproof suits and helmets with face masks protect jumpers from fire, rocks, and trees. Okay, so they have to wear special gear. My highlighter is being silly today. And they have padded fireproof suits, helmets with face masks, and those are to protect them. Parachutes, also super important, right? They have to have that to jump out of the plane. And they can be steered by the smoke jumpers. They're often bright colors, so they can be spotted quickly. Being a smoke jumper takes strength and training. So they have to have strength and training. Smoke jumpers learn how to jump from a plane, handle a parachute, and land safely. So there's another detail about their job. Learn how to jump from a plane, handle a parachute, and land safely. What is going on with my highlighter here? Okay, once they are on the ground, they must be able to climb trees, use different saws, and work well in a team. Next time you hear about a forest fire, you can be sure that smoke jumpers are on the job. Okay, so just to review, we've got quite a few different details here about being a smoke jumper. We know that being a smoke jumper is hard and dangerous. They have to parachute from a plane, that their supplies are dropped by parachute, that they get enough tools and supplies to last them for 2 days. We also learned they have to wear special gear like padded fireproof suits, helmets with face masks, and parachutes. They need strength and training, and they have to learn how to jump from a plane, handle a parachute, and land safely. They must also be able to climb trees, use different saws, and work well in a team. So those are all the details. The main idea of our text here is about smoke jumpers and what their job is, but then we've got tons of details to help us better understand that. So we're going to use these highlighted details tomorrow. So please keep your close reader in a safe spot so that